Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about gessoing or priming your canvas. This is really important because if you don't do that, you'll notice on this particular canvas right here, you get some bleed through. And what that is basically the canvas is being exposed through the paint. And you don't want that, especially if you're going to hang your canvases like this. You want to be able to have a nice clean side. So even though the canvases that you buy at the store pretty much all say that they're gesso primed, I think you need to do it again at home. At least that's been my experience. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I do. It's not a big deal. You just simply take your canvas like this. You've got your gesso in your container. You're going to get a little bit of paint on it, and you're going to basically make these X marks all over your canvas, every single where, just like you would if you were painting your home on your walls. You're going to go back and forth and cover the whole canvas. Once you've got that done, then you're going to take and go one direction till you get it covered, then you'll go the opposite direction, get it covered. It doesn't matter if you go horizontal and vertical or vice versa. You just want to cover the entire canvas. Also, make sure you get these edges and these corners. That's the critical area. So that's what I do when I gesso my canvases. Thanks. This is what my desk looks like after I have gessoed a few canvases. I've learned that if I do a lot at the same time, then when I'm ready to paint, they're already done. It's wonderful. Occasionally I get lazy and don't gesso, and then I want to paint, and there's no canvases that are primed, so I have to paint over a canvas that's not primed, and I always regret it. You'll notice that I have the canvases overlapping and sharing a cup, which saves space on my desk. That's where they go after I'm done. I have a little stash over on my desk where I put canvases that I've already gessoed, and they're just sitting here waiting to be used. And I keep those separate from the ones that are still in the package and I've not used yet. Place for everything and everything in its place, right?